Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this guide video, I will show you how to contact GMFS Mortgage Help Center. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. Now click on the search bar and type in this link gmfsmortgage.com/contact-us. Press enter. Now you'll directly be led to the contact us interface of GMFS Mortgage. From here you'll be able to contact the help center. At the top right corner of your screen you'll also be able to find the number over here. You can simply call this number for general help. Likewise, you'll also be able to see various GMFS Mortgage branches over here. You'll be able to find various branches, so simply click on the branch that is near to you or click on the branch that you want to contact. Now after you do that, you'll be redirected to new tab. Over here, you'll be able to find the information regarding that branch. You'll be able to see the location over here. Also, you'll be able to see the office phone number. So you can simply call this phone number in order to contact their help center. Likewise, you'll also be able to see the fax over here. So like this too, you'll be able to contact them. You can also visit their location. You can visit the branch and contact the help center. So these are basically the ways to contact the help center of GMFS Mortgage. So that is how you contact GMFS Mortgage Help Center. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.